So we are today launching Megaman. Is a internationally acclaimed organization who evolved with all the new category of lighting. Even in when it came to CFL, they are one organization which had a lamp which was working around 25,000 hours, 40,000 hours life. Now with the evolution going towards LED, we are also moving towards LED, and for which we have tied up with this company Megaman, based out of Hong Kong, and that is getting rolled out today. Similarly, to align with, because Megaman is an organization which has got 400 SKUs of lamps which are professional and semi-professional. So again, catering to the little lower segment of the strata, we are coming out with a new range called iLED. Fluorescent range also, we have pleasure in launching out a series by name Hyperion, which are designed very attractively, and they also save substantial energy in terms of the lamp. And we are taking these launches to Karnataka as well as Tamil Nadu in the next 2-3 days to have a visibility across the region, and maybe in the next coming 10 days we will be taking it to Kerala. This light that which consumes maximum energy, and out of the total energy which is being produced by the country, around 18% goes towards light. And we had various applications being driven by various light sources, but a time has come, the lighting industry has always been evolving itself with the new techniques and new modules which were serving as clean light, energy saving lights. There was an evolution when we were using the normal conventional general lighting source, which is called the normal bulb. From there was a huge leap towards the compact fluorescent lamp, where the energy saving was almost 4 to 5 times of a normal bulb. So the compact fluorescent lamps today has become almost a 500 million market in India, and they have contributed to a large extent in saving energy in the Indian market conditions, because this 500 million has come from zero, and around 4-5 times of energy saving has really contributed to the cause of the nation in terms of energy saving.